In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the local mount or folder location for Google Drive for desktop on Windows. This will guide you through the process of making sure your synced files appear in the desired location, enhancing your workflow and organization. To begin, look for the Google Drive for desktop icon in your system tray. The system tray is typically found on the bottom right corner of your screen next to the clock. The icon might blend in with others, so take a moment to hover over the icons if necessary until you identify the Google Drive one. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to open the menu. This will give you access to a range of options and settings related to the app. Next, locate the gear icon within this menu. Clicking the gear icon will lead you to the Preferences tab, where you can adjust how Google Drive interacts with your desktop. From here, navigate to the Advanced Settings section. This is where you can make modifications related to the local setup of Google Drive. Under the Advanced Settings, you'll find an option labeled something like Google Drive Streaming Location. This indicates where your mounted or streamed files currently reside on your computer. Here, you'll see an option that allows you to change the folder or drive letter associated with your Google Drive files. Selecting this option is crucial because it takes you to a browsing window where you can choose a new location for your files. Now, decide where you want your Google Drive to reside by selecting a new folder or even a different drive. This choice can depend on several factors, such as storage space availability or organizational preferences. Once you've made your selection, confirm it. This action is vital to ensure that Google Drive understands your desired setup. After confirming your choice, you'll be prompted to restart the Google Drive for Desktop app. It's crucial to follow through with this step, as a restart applies all the changes you've made. The software needs to reload its settings with the new location in mind. Simply follow the restart prompt, and in a moment, you'll have an updated setup. Finally, open File Explorer to verify that Google Drive for Desktop is mounting at the new location you specified. Browsing through your files, you should now see the folders and documents associated with Google Drive appearing in this new spot, confirming that the operation was successful. And there you have it. With these steps, you've changed the local mount location for Google Drive on your Windows desktop. Whether driven by a need for better organization or simply clearing up space, this adjustment gives you the flexibility needed to manage your files more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!